Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Join me today as I take on the challenge of making delicious Kenyan Bhajia right in my kitchen. Many people think that making bhajias is difficult or maybe requires some special skills, but today I'm gonna be showing you how simple it is, and actually it's so much fun to prepare. You wanna start by peeling your potatoes, wash them, and then slice. As you can see, this is what I'm doing right here. You require like 5 potatoes, medium sized potatoes. That is what I'm using. So mommy, so this is the size you're going for. Rinse your potatoes, the sliced potatoes, rinse them in clean water. Want to remove the excess starch. I'm going to be rinsing twice, until the water is clean. This is what I meant when I seen the excess starch. So I'm gonna be rinsing once more. Drain your potatoes pieces. You can use a kitchen cloth to dry them. So it's time to make our batter. Just added some water, I added some salt in the water, and then add your flour. I'm using wheat flour. You can use gram flour as well. So I'm using a fork to make a thick batter. This is how I prefer doing it because to me it's simpler than adding everything all at once. So this is the batter. I ended up using my whisk. So I add the yellow food color, mix well. You can see how beautiful and vibrant this color is. You can also use turmeric if you have some. Add garlic, just a teaspoon of garlic. I did not use a lot because it's for my kids. And then I added some chopped coriander. And now mix everything very well. So beautiful, right? I told you it's fun to prepare. I hope you're having a lot of fun doing this, guys. So I just added our potato pieces. That, guys, it looks like, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. See the color? It's popping. And now the fun part is coming, where we're going to be deep frying, and then you're going to see the golden color coming out oh so beautifully. See this beauty? Up next, guys, now let's fry our bhajias. So add them one by one because you don't want them to be clumped together. You want them separate and beautiful, okay? It may take some time to fry them, but be patient because the results are just worth the work. See how beautiful these are. Guys, let me show you how our bhajias look like finally. Oh my god, these are so ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't know why I feel like my voice is so coarse, but don't worry, we're gonna do this video anyways. So guys, this is how our bhajias look like. So I'm gonna be putting this on kitchen maybe a serviette or whatever to dry them up, and guys, you can see the results. Amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you're going to try out this recipe. See you in my next one. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and I'm gonna be so grateful. Bye bye.